Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss something beyond the code, the art of debugging complex systems. You can spend years mastering syntax, acing algorithms, building projects. But the moment something breaks, when your app crashes or the server stops responding, that's when the real test begins. In the real world, debugging isn't just a part of programming. It is programming, and sadly, most schools never teach it right. In college, you are often taught to build from scratch in neat, isolated environments. You get well defined assignments and ideal conditions. But real world code? It's layered with legacy systems. Thousands of lines written by people who may not even work there anymore. Third party tools, APIs that change without warning, and deadlines breathing down your neck. There's no textbook that prepares you for the chaos of a live bug at 2 a.m. Debugging is the bridge between academic theory and real engineering. It's when you learn how systems behave, not how they are supposed to behave, but how they actually do under pressure, in production, with traffic, and with edge cases. This is where good engineers grow into great ones, not by writing perfect code, but by understanding how to fix broken systems. Here's the truth no one tells you. Most bugs aren't due to bad logic. They are due to false assumptions. You think something works because it worked once. You skip testing an edge case. You trust that the config file wasn't changed. Debugging forces you to confront the flaws in your thinking, not just in your code. Let's talk real damage. NASA lost a $327 million Mars orbiter because one system used imperial units while another used metric. Knight Capital lost $440 million in just 30 minutes because of a deployment error. The Ariane 5 rocket exploded mid-air due to a floating point overflow. These weren't just coding errors. They were debugging failures. Failures to test, to question assumptions, to communicate. A great debugger is like a detective, and every detective has tools. Git helps you rewind the timeline. Logging exposes invisible logic flows. Breakpoints let you freeze time and examine values live. And sometimes, talking to a rubber duck can literally help you catch the mistake in your own logic. Debugging is 20% tools and 80% mindset. The best engineers debug with humility. They don't assume, they verify. They isolate the problem, test hypotheses, narrow the scope. They treat every bug as a puzzle, not a nuisance. And most importantly, they understand that fixing something you didn't break builds resilience and respect. Senior engineers don't debug less. They just do it better. They have learned to stay calm when others panic. They rely on experience to trace issues faster. They know that no system is perfect, but every problem has a pattern. And with the right mindset, you will find it. So next time your code crashes, don't feel defeated. Every bug you squash is one step closer to mastery. Debugging doesn't mean you failed. It means you are learning what most people never do. Because at the end of the day, anyone can write code, but only real engineers can fix it. And that's a wrap for this video. And if you found this helpful in any way, then give it a like. Also share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to help us grow. I will see you in another video with some another topic. Till then, happy learning.